Hi, my name is Amit, and today I will show you the perfect place in India. There are the most exciting views, there are beautiful walks, humble and nice people, and the perfect pictures. I am talking about KASAR Devi. KASAR Devi is a village near Almora, Uttarakhand. It is known for the KASAR Devi temple. Devi temple, dedicated to KASAR Devi, after whom the place is also named. My experience from KASAR Devi has been amazing. I went to the market every day. Then I went back to the guest house and cooked delicious food from the products I bought at the market. I found some good friends. I made some music. And I just found peace.